everyone, welcome back to Miss Now Speaks. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to calculate the increase and decrease of percentage. So make sure you watch until the end so that you can learn how to quickly calculate an increment or decrement in a percentage and how to determine the final value after increment or decrement of certain percentages. So basically, the formula that we need to know for this lesson is to understand the base, part and rate formula. So the basic formula will look as part equals to base times rate. And always remember, even in the previous video where I talk about series of discount, your base is known as the origin and we will take 100% as the origin. And the part will be the value that takes place after changes. So let's say, for example, an item that costs you $100 and is given a discount of 35%, and we would like to find how much is the item after discount. We first would like to find how much is the discount. So you know that the discount is $35 because you will take $100 multiplied by 35% discount. And then to find the discounted price or after discount price, we will take the original price, which is $100, deduct the discount price, which is $35, giving you $65. The idea of part, base and rate, now we are going to take the origin as $100 and therefore the part will be the discounted amount, and you know the discounted percentage is 65%, so 65 multiplied by $100 will give you $65. Okay, let's look at an example. An item is $49, the price hike up by 20%. What is the new price? So using P equals to B times R. And we know that the B is equals to $49 because that is the original price, so that will be your base. So using the base as your original price, write it as 49. And what is your rate? Okay, the price hike up by 20%, alright? But remember that the original percentage is always 100%. So therefore, 100% hike up by 20% will give you 120%. Alright, changing it to decimal will give you 1.2. So multiplying 49 1.2 gives you $58.80. Another example, a company was bought at $1,000, $299. After 3 years, its price became $899. Calculate its percentage of decrease. So this time is a different question. We want to find the percentage of decrease. Okay, so again, let's find the original price. The original price will be the base price, which is $1,299, and the $899 is the price after changes, remember, which is also your P. So therefore, forming the equation, okay, and the percentage is what you want to find, which is also the R or the rate. Okay, so taking 899 divided by 1299 will give you 0.69. But remember that the 0.69 or the R in the P equals to B times R formula actually is known as, or is given as a percentage of what is left. But the question asks for the percentage of decrease, okay? So you have to find the percentage that causes the decrease or causes the changes. Therefore, you need to take 1 minus 0.69, giving you 0.31 or equivalent to 31%. So that's all for today's lesson on percentages in either increment or decrement. Make sure you try some questions by yourself and always feel free to comment below or even comment on topics that you would like me to share more examples on, and I will try my best to reply. Take care and see you again. Bye bye.